Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this Honeywell HWT H01 LED Desk Lamp. This features quite a few cool things. Different lighting. The LEDs have this special feature, so it's not supposed to, there's no blinking or flashing, and also not going to damage or like get your eyes tired. Some LEDs kind of mess with you. I know some of the newer ones, or the older ones that used to come out, would be difficult on the eyes. A lot of them would flash or whatever, and they didn't last very long. Honeywell's a pretty reputable brand though. And this also features charging ports on here. Sorry it took me so long to get this package out. So right on top we have, here is our plug-in. This is going to feature, I believe, let me see the amp, the voltage on here. 5 volt, 2.1 amp charging ports. So it should charge up your phone, paddles, different device, whatever you need on there pretty quickly. All right. So here, this is, I believe there were my instructions right there. Okay. And check this out. Get this little bag off of here so we can see what we're working with here. This little sleeve should come off of there nicely. I don't want to, there we go. Oh, that is cool. This is really sleek and modern looking. Ha. Check that out. That looks pretty cool. This is obviously adjustable. And so you can set it, I'm gonna actually put this by my bedside. We have in our bedroom a light right in the middle of the room. So if you're trying to read and you're sitting next to the headboard or whatever, that light's in front of you. So actually casting a shadow on your pages. So this is gonna be super helpful. This is dimmable and different light aspects. I believe you can do the 3K to the 57K brightness or whatever. So that's going to be able to adjust the white light to the yellow light, depending on what your preference is. There are some people like that white LED look. Some people like the yellow, just natural. So that's going to be able to be adjusted as well as the brightness. On the bottom, we have these nice little silicone pads here too. But look at that. I think it looks really sleek and modern and simplistic. So I think that'll fit in perfectly with my bed area. And it's, look at the footprint of this thing is very small. So we have little shelves next to each side of our bed. So this can be perfect. Some lamps, you get this giant base, it takes up your whole table. So I like how this is really small. It's not like super heavy, but it's got some weight to it, so it's not going to just fall over. So I'm going to go hook it up in the bedroom and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, my friends, so here's the light here. As we can see, if you want to turn it on or off, you just tap the button. That comes on, and then you can tap it and it'll change the light ratio also from like the 3 different white light, yellow, it's like 4,000 to 7,500 or whatever is that. And then the third time it'll go off. And then also, once it's on, you can simply rotate this and you can get it as bright as you want. Actually puts out a lot of light. You guys can see that's super bright there. It's putting out a lot of light. So if I just want to sit here in bed and read, I can just turn it this way and I have plenty of light. Like I was saying before, my lights in the bedroom is up in the ceiling right there. So if I'm trying to read, it's actually casting a shadow on the pages. It's like more difficult to see because I have light behind my book if I want to read. So now with this, I can just set it up here. I rotate it any way I want to. If I want like less light, I could just bounce it off of here or just dim it. Either way. And it's super handy. The light, like I said, it's not flashing. It's puts out a nice steady pattern of like light. Sometimes like you get LEDs and are flickering and making like bothering your eyes and stuff like that. This isn't the case. And also like these 2 plugins right here, I can charge my phone right there, no problem. And even when this is off, you can charge your phone. I like how this is just a really nice, elegant little piece. And when it's done, I can just put it off the side if I want to, like that, and it hides it perfectly. I mean, it looks really cool. It's minimalistic and small, and yet it puts out a lot of light. It doesn't make a humming noise or anything weird like that, and it doesn't take up a lot of room on my desk. I can just put it right here out of the way. And even on this little tiny table I have plenty of room to put my phone on there or a beverage or something else. So pretty cool little light for sure by Honeywell. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.